So dear friends, we are in BBA third semester, Human Resource Management class. We are in the second unit. In the second unit, we have learnt about recruitment, selection, and line organization. In the previous class, we have learnt about the definition of line organization, the merits of line organization, and drawbacks of line organization. In today's class, we will come to know about functional organization and staff organization, line staff organization. So in functional organization, before the concept I explained, just observe the diagram. At the helm of the affairs, at the top, board of directors will be there. Under board of directors, chief executive, works manager, production manager, and under production manager and all these persons, you can see route clerk is there, instruction clerk, time clerk, disciplinarian, gang boss, repair boss, speed boss, inspector boss. So these four are known as office specialists, whereas these four are known as shop specialists. So under them, works will be completed in an organization. So the name is derived, functional organization, the name is derived from functions. So one will take care of route, one will take care of instructions, one will take care of time, one will take care of discipline, one will take care of repair, one will ensure speed, one will inspect the functioning of the organization. Gang boss will provide tools and equipment to the employees in the organization. So based on the functions, based on various operations, various kinds of operations, organization is divided. So now you please compare with this with our previous line organization. You see the departmental line organization. This you can see foreman A, foreman B, foreman C, foreman D. Whereas here, which work he is performing, it is not clear. All works they have to perform. Whatever work that is assigned to a foreman, whatever work that is expected of a foreman will be assigned to him. He has to work, and under him various workers will be there. So now so based on functioning, organization is not divided in line organization. Whereas in functional organization, based on the functions that a person performs, see under route clerk only, various, suppose a pen manufacturing company is there. So blue pen, black pen, red pen, green pen, all of their route he has to take care. That's all. Whereas the time clerk is there. Under all these four colors of pens, timing he has to note. He has to ensure that everything is finishes in time. So that is the difference between functional organization and line organization. Now you see advantages of functional organization. Specialization will be there. Persons will become experts. So it automatically leads to increase in efficiency. Scope for growth in organization will be there. Flexibility of operations will be there. Relief to top executives can be observed in functional organization. Okay. Not only that, economy of operations will be there. Whenever efficiency increases, automatically economy will be ensured. Better supervision can be done. Democratic control of the subordinates can be seen in functional organization. What are the disadvantages of functional organization? Conflict in authority will emerge. See, repair boss may fight with gang boss. They in combination they may fight with route clerk. So conflict in authority can be seen. Lack of coordination between various personnel in the organization can be seen. Difficulty in fixing responsibility is observed. Who is responsible for a mistake in the organization it is very difficult to find. So there will be sometimes you may find delays in decision taking, and poor discipline can be observed as compared to line organization in functional organization. Because you are unable to fix responsibility, automatically it leads to poor discipline in the organization. So compared to line organization, this functional organization is a bit expensive. It is more costly. Okay. Now certain words came in functional organization. Various persons who are working, who are in charge of various functions are divided into office specialists and shop specialists. The office specialist means one who is concerned with designing, scheduling, recording and planning of work is known as office specialist. So these are 4 kinds: route clerk, instruction card clerk, time and cost clerk, disciplinarian. So route clerk, suppose a unit of production is passing through various processes, process A, process B, process C, process D. He will decide which is the first process, which is the second process, which is the third. Likewise, he will decide. Instruction card clerk will record instructions for doing a unit of work. He will record everything. The time and cost clerk will mention standard time for finishing a unit of production. So disciplinarian, as the name itself implies, he ensures discipline in the organization. So these are office specialists. Now shop specialists means they are divided into, just like office specialists, shop specialists are also divided into 4 types: gang boss, speed boss, repair boss, inspector. So he will, as the name itself implies, inspector means not police inspector. In the office, in the shop, in the organization, he will inspect the things. Okay, he will ensure that everything goes in order. Repair boss will see to it that repairing takes place of various tools. The speed boss ensures speed in the organization. Gang boss, as I mentioned, he will provide necessary tools to the workers in the organization. Whoever is working in the organization, he will provide them with machines, proper machines and tools. If machine is under repair, he will send them to repair boss. Okay, that is the duty of gang boss and repair boss. Now coming to line and staff organization. See, we have discussed line organization and functional organization differently. Now line staff organization, this is a mixture of line organization as well as functional organization. So there are 2 types of relationships in line staff organization. One is line relationship and the other one is staff relationship. See, line relationship is a decision maker in the organization. Line persons or officials, they will decide what to do, what not to do, and staff personnel act as advisors to line relationship, line managers. So according to Henry Fayol, staff is a group of men who have the strength, knowledge and time which the line managers may lack. The staff will give advice to the line managers and the line managers will work on the field. So according to Allen, line refers to those positions and elements of organization which have the responsibility and authority and are accountable for the accomplishment of primary objectives. Whereas staff elements are those which have responsibility and authority for providing advice and service to the line in the attainment of objectives. So line are original workers, whereas staff provide advice: what to do, why to do, when to do, where to do, how to do. Staff personnel will advise to the line staff. So that is line and staff organization. 2 different sets of employees will be there: line employees, staff employees. Line employees will work, staff employees will provide advice, provide guidance to the line employees. Here you have to remember, line employees may take their advice or not. That is left to the line employees. They may take their advice in a good manner. They may accept the advice. They may accept the suggestions or not. It is left to them. Okay, it is not mandatory. Staff, whatever suggestions that they give to line managers may take them in good stead or not. That is left to them. So they can simply suggest, and it is left to the line managers to whether to follow the advice or not, that is left to them totally. Okay. Now coming to merits of line and staff organization, you can see there is a planned specialization. So two kinds of structures can be seen: line managers, staff managers. Staff will provide advice to the line managers. Okay, so it is a planned organization. There is a well-defined authority and responsibility. The line of command is maintained in line and staff organization. Bifurcation, by means two. Line organization is there, staff organization is both. In coordination, they will try to achieve the organizational objectives. It leads to organization growth. The staff's expert knowledge can be used for the development of the organization. But there are certain demerits in line and staff organization. Conflicts may come. See, staff will give advice, staff will give suggestions, but whether to follow them or not, it is left to the line managers. So if they follow, that is good. If they do not follow, it will lead to conflict between line managers and staff managers. But as I have already mentioned, whatever advice, whatever suggestions that they give, staff gives, they do not have any authority. They can simply suggest, that's all. So they do not have authority, they do not have command over workers. They can simply give advice only, they can simply give suggestions only to the line managers. So they are mostly ineffective because they do not have authority. So majority of the times it is seen that, not majority, sometimes it is seen that misinterpretation of expert authority is there. So staff, whatever authority, whatever advice, whatever suggestion that staff is giving to the line, they are misinterpreting. Misinterpreting means they are unable to understand properly. So as naturally can be seen, staff feel statusless because they do not have enjoys that much status as line managers are enjoying. Line managers will enjoy utmost status in the organization, whereas staff managers, staff personnel enjoy less status because whatever they are giving, they are just suggestions only. They may be implemented or not, that is left to the line managers. So this is what we mean by saying line staff organization. So dear friends, we have learnt about line organization, functional organization, and line staff organization. With this, second unit is finished. In our next class, we will start third unit. Thank you very much, dear friends.